Have you hit that subscribe button, that notification bell? You're going to be missing out on videos and free prizes and raffles we have coming up.
Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you a product that I have in the back in the vapor honing area of my shop that I just love this hose. I finally decided to buy another one to replace this one. So many of you probably have or have seen these kind of stiff plastic coil hoses. Handy as they are, they're kind of a pain as they try to, come around sharp edges or anything. I'm always worried I'm going to puncture it or it's just really stiff. The other thing that I'm not nuts about these is you'll notice here that the coil is right up to the very end, and they do stretch some, but they're pretty resilient in maintaining that shape. So let me show you why I like this one so much. Number one, it has this cool leader that's not coiled. So especially as you get into where you're working, you've got that extra space. And it's much more soft and pliable. Some have links below to this as well. But let me go ahead and swap these out. And then what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and put ends on this just so that I can do like a before and after. And then I'll stretch them and show you like how much they spring back. And if you're trying to build a shop and you're not sure which way to go, and you can buy those for I think $6. I don't remember if this was 15 or something. It's about double the price if I remember right, but it's absolutely worth the investment. So let's swap them out and check them out in action. Pretty aggressive. So if it slips out of your hand or whatnot, like I said, it wants to really go flying. Okay. Tell you right now, this is already going to be nice. So you can see here how much less, and then I'm going to be able to stretch out much further and get around. All right, let's take a look at my setup. For this area of the shop, I wanted to be able to control the pressure for the soda blast machine, sandblasters, and I just don't want a lot of air pressure around chips and little carburetor parts and so on. So I really wanted to be able to really reduce this down. A little bit of overkill on my regulator and filter here, but I already had it. So the other thing that's cool is I can go ahead and obviously turn that on and off and control it that way for repairs or anything I would need to do in the future. So really thinking ahead. And then you can see here I made a dedicated line, just flexible for right now to go back and be ready for the soda blaster. But all right, my friends, there you have it. That is the product that I use and really like. This is the second one I've added to the shop when I needed flexibility, and it's going to be able to serve my carburetor station. It's going to be able to serve my little machining area and get me air-to-air tools or cleanup or anything else. If you remember, I really don't use in this area an air gun as much as I use that little vacuum. So if you haven't seen that video, let me just show you where that is quick since I'm talking about it and how cool it is. But I've got some videos on this Blue Point vacuum, And there's some off brands on that as well now, but this thing's stupid cool. Hook up your airline, and great for picking up chips and cleaning up, which it looks like I need to do so. So anyway, make it a great day. As always, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Links below. Thanks for supporting the channel. As always, keep wrenching.